YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I decided to go live this morning because the Ethereum ETF has just dropped literally just minutes ago. Breaking news just minutes ago. So I figured why not get my butt up out of bed because it's still 6:45 over here and start making some videos or maybe even go live. Why not? Why not go live? Why not go live and look at the market with you guys, right? So let's see what we got kind of going here with Bitcoin while we wait for everybody to kind of start joining into the live chat. Let's see. I'm gonna pull up a Bitcoin chart over here. Share screen. Cool. So as you guys can see, right? We've been watching Bitcoin past couple days. We were looking for a possible double bottom down here. We were hoping that we would see some price rally. As you guys could see, Bitcoin possibly breaking down to 66K. This is kind of what happened when the Bitcoin ETF dropped, isn't it? We saw a lot of negative price action. We thought that we were going to see positive price action, but what happened was we started seeing a little bit of negative price action. So the market's kind of moving like it did during the Bitcoin ETF, in my opinion. Once it actually launched, we didn't really see a lot of big buy orders. I mean, maybe we'll see the buy orders start coming in. It did just get announced, but it looks like these orders are still, yeah, they're closing red. So, and this is actually a big red wick. So this is testing some support here on Bitcoin. So the time of the video, guys, Bitcoin coming in at 66,000. It is something that we have to pay attention to. I do still feel good about Bitcoin, of course, because we haven't broken down off of a trend yet. We still are creating higher lows for Bitcoin, which is good. Actually, one of the things that I said in my last video is that I actually want us to see a little retest of some support, but not like a big massive sell-off, just like a little retest. So I'm actually very happy with this little bit of sell-off that we're seeing during this ETF. I hope it's not going to be too much because look, we still have a bull flag forming here. This is still a great pattern, even though we have this little bit of red on the 1 day. And then let's look at this. Let's look at our 1 week chart. Still, look, right, showing like we have a bull flag forming here on the 1 week. So again, I'm not bearish in any way, shape, or form on this little pattern, but I am paying attention to the fact that the ETF just launched. Look, bull flag, nice bull flag on the 1 month, really nice bull flag on the 1 month. Look at that. It looks like it's already breaking. I'm bullish, man. In my opinion, this is a great accumulation zone. That's why, again, I want to be giving you guys a lot of these videos on good trending meme coins, things that I'm basically just kind of looking at right now and paying attention to because some of these coins are popping up quite frequently, quite frequently. So paying attention to these hot pairs over here on Dextools. Looking at a lot of these, looks like the #1 trending coin right now is Bowden. Is this the same Bowden that we've talked about on the channel? No, this is some other Bowden. I don't know. I don't trust that. That's probably going to go to the floor pretty soon. Whiff is in the #5. We're just filtering through Solana right now. Michi's down 14%. Yeah, things are just kind of looking a little funky. I mean, everything's kind of correcting down with Bitcoin, and the fact that Bitcoin just in the short term is resting on some key support right now. Like again, we could break down, right? We really need to make a double bottom here and look at that. Let's look at that actually. Hold on, wait, let me see. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at right now. I'm tripping. Wait, am I showing you guys everything? Sorry guys, I'm getting better with Streamlabs. Day at a time, boys, day at a time. Okay, but yeah, you guys could see here Bitcoin is starting to break down during this video, literally during my video. Look at this, Bitcoin breaking down. Huh. What are you guys thinking? What are you guys thinking? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about Bitcoin? You guys think that we're going to hold some support here, or do you think that we need to see a little retest We're literally watching the sell-off, boys. Like, it's happening right now. So I'm curious to see. We're sitting at 66 right now. We need to see somewhat of a bottom on Bitcoin. Let's open the candle chart and see. See, that's all I was saying. This big red candle, man. That's what I would expect after that news drops, because people tend to sell the news. People tend to sell news, and a lot of people that get into investing and crypto and stuff like that, they think that people buy the news. They think that people are buying news. You're supposed to sell the news. Buy the hype, sell the news. So they just got the news of the ETF. So a lot of these people are taking profit. A lot of people knew that there was going to be ETF, right? We talked about ETF on the channel. We talked about all these ETFs that have been coming out, have been talked about. But we'll see. I mean, this 30-minute candle has not yet closed. Today is definitely a day of decision, which is surprising because today is a Tuesday. Usually days of decision happen on a Thursday. They usually happen later in the week. And what I usually say on my channel is that I feel like when we have price action like this early in the week, it's usually a fake out. So maybe it's a fake out that we're going to go down, because maybe we're still going to go up. But again, I don't know, right? I don't know if you guys have been watching also some of these debates and the things revolving around the election, but a lot of the times during these debates and stuff like that, the market's pumping. So again, we're in an election year right now. We got a good bottom on Bitcoin at 54K. I feel good about this recovery. Again, our 1 month looks solid. Somebody's saying that they feel like we're going to go back down to 55K. Interesting. I was saying, what was I saying like 2 weeks ago? Like 52 or something like that. I think I was saying 52 back in March, but we dropped down to 54. But I don't know. I don't know. Definitely too early to say with Bitcoin, because again, the 1 month still looking super strong. We got our bull flag forming on the 1 month, and the 1 week. The 1 week is no longer looking so hot. Damn. Okay. 1 week not looking so hot right now, boys. I think we were gonna see a little bit off actually based off this 1 week chart. Somebody said we're gonna see. He said we're gonna see 55. Yeah. We could possibly see that. That would be head and shoulders. I think if we saw 55, then that would be an inclination actually that we're going to go down from here, even more from 55. Because if we saw 55, right, that would be shoulder, head, shoulder. That would be a bearish trend. We might see something like this: shoulder, head, shoulder, boom, big move down. But a big move down maybe just be to maybe like 52. I don't know. Bitcoin, man. Hey, there's never a dull moment in Bitcoin. I love it. Somebody said, I think it will go back to the new all-time high. I just think I think so too. Like I was saying, I was saying that I'm more concerned if Bitcoin just continues on a parabolic move from 58 all the way all the way up to like breaking 70. Then I would be concerned, because that would be kind of like similar to what happened in March, right? Our side was so high. We were so overbought in March, and we needed to have a huge correction, and that correction definitely took some time. So, but yeah, we'll see. We'll kind of see what happens with Bitcoin. I'm definitely looking at some coins today, though. I do want to talk about some of these meme coins. That's what the whole point of the video. I know we got kind of a little bit carried away because Bitcoin just made a big price move right now. But the point of the video is to talk about some of these meme coins that I'm looking at, and to maybe hear about some of these meme coins too that you guys are looking at. So let's pull up Dextools. I got Dextools open right here. I got Dex Screener open right here. So we're gonna check on both today. Again, it's early in the morning, guys. I just woke up. It's like 6:53. We started the stream at like 6:45. So this is my first time checking these charts just real time with you guys too. So just so you know that I'm just really looking at everything right now. So let's just start from the top. We'll start from Ethereum, right? We're only really going to check 3 chains. We're not going to check every single blockchain on here, but unless actually I want to know, guys, are there any blockchains that I'm not talking about on the channel that are really popping off right now? I know we talk about Ethereum a lot. We talk about Solana coins a lot. We talk about Base. Somebody told me CRO, and then I looked into a couple of those coins, and some of those coins were actually performing pretty nicely. CRO is just not really a blockchain that we talk about a lot on the channel, but there's a blockchain that's performing really well. Again, I don't think so because I don't see anything making these type of gains like we see on like Ethereum and like we see on Solana. But let's see some of these meme coins that are coming in the top 10 today, and just kind of see how they're performing. Of course, Pepe's coming in at number 2. This is really good in terms of trade volume right here. This Pepe and Mog both make me feel really good. Even though there's a lot of sell action, it's a lot of trades going in. Like it's a lot of buys and sells. You guys could see people are buying. Look, this guy just bought 14 grand worth. There are sells too, of course. The charts are moving down. The coin is down. But as you guys could see, there are big buys coming in with Pepe too. So I like the volume with Pepe. It's definitely a reason why I'm shopping this coin on the dip. Also, Mog just disappeared. Mog just jumped to number 1. That's why. But Mog is also a coin. This is a sleeper, bro. This has been an absolute sleeper, even on my channel, even though I was early on it, even though we talked about it like in live streams or like in passing and stuff like that, or like in my videos. I'm just kind of like, oh, look at this coin, it's in the top 5. Look at this coin, it's in the top 5. Well, guess what, guys? That coin now has close to $1 billion market cap, and it never went down. Like I was not sure how this coin was going to do, to be honest with you guys, because there's so many meme coins that launch on Dextools, and the majority of these are not going to perform well. It's really lucky, when you're able to catch these amazing coins, even though I catch them all the time and make it look really easy. And I show you guys how to do it. I show you guys tricks on how you can find these things, but also just know that, not every single play is going to be a winner, dude. Like, don't think you're that great. Nobody's that great. I mean, even if you think sometimes that you're early on something or you hear about something in the space, it just doesn't play out the way that you think. So again, the fact that Mog is sitting at close to $1 billion market cap, like, good on those guys. Only at 26,000 holders too. Almost $1 billion market cap, 26,000 holders. That's pretty interesting. There's not a ton of holders on Mog. So let's check actually. We want to check. Yeah, audit's looking solid. Yeah, look at these buy orders are still coming in. Big buy orders on Mog too. So again, Mog is a coin that is picking up in volume. People are shopping Mog on the dip, it seems like. And then some of these other coins. Is this Maga? Is this Maga? Or is this Trump token? What is this? Yeah, this is Maga. Okay, so we talked about Maga on the channel very early, guys. Like, we were dumb early on this coin. You guys know that. I think we caught this coin at like, I don't know, between like 10 to 20 million, I think, and it's sitting at like 300 right now. We were talking about this coin. We were talking about a lot of those presidential coins that were popping off for like a couple months. So again, the fact that this coin is one that is picking up in volume, I'm really interested. What do you think Mog will hit in the next 6 to 12 months? Man, your guess is as good as mine, brother. I definitely think that Mog's establishing itself, because right now there's not that many. There's the only other coin that I could think that's pretty decent size compared to Mog, is maybe like Wit. Like, let me see. Well, let's see, right? If we're comparing Mog, we got to compare it to something on Ethereum right now that's like similar size that's kind of popping off. We'll do it after this, but I want to talk a little bit about Trump coin just because I know that this is a coin that, again, coming in a hot 3, and we talked about the fact that these election coins may make another run, guys. Of course, this is like an election time, so maybe some of these coins like Bowden coin and some of these coins like Maga coin might do pretty well. Also, somebody asking about Bobo. Also, we're going to talk about Bobo. We're going to talk about all these coins, man. A lot of these coins we're still sitting super green on. Again, guys, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, you should hit that subscribe button because we add more value on this channel every single day than anybody that I know or see on YouTube doing it. So, again, guys, if you guys like hearing about these kind of coins and stuff like that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Actually, before we get off of Ethereum, since we're just about to flip over to Solana blockchain, we'll look into Bobo. Let's look into Bobo. Because Bobo is a coin that we talked about on the channel, of course. And yeah, we like Bobo. I like Bobo, at least. I don't know. Maybe some of you guys don't like Bobo, but Bobo is a coin that I like. As you guys could see, we're still holding some support, still staying in our Kettner channel. It's Bobo actually doesn't look that bad right now on this Bitcoin consolidation. All things considered, we're still flowing inside of our Kettner channel. We haven't broken down off of any key support right now. We're still kind of holding on with Bobo. So I'm feeling good about Bobo. It's a coin that, of course, you guys know we've been talking about Bobo on the channel like since forever. So, oh yeah, look, actually on the 3-day, we are kind of breaking down off of some key support, but it's not too bad. Like we're not bleeding hard, like to the point where I'd be like, ah. But even then, like I don't get like that. Like I've been in this game for a long time, so again, I like Bobo. I'm long on Bobo. Bobo's been performing really nicely during the Bitcoin price pump. So again, if I do see a better buy opportunity for Bobo, this is a great shopping opportunity actually. For this coin, in my opinion. Again, not financial advice, guys. I could always be wrong, right? Things trend, things do well, things don't do well. But in my opinion, I think that if Pepe does well, that Bobo will do well. And Bobo, as you saw just a minute ago, Pepe is doing very well right now. So I think that Bobo will also do very well. Definitely not panic selling this coin. If anything, I'm shopping this coin on the dip. I like it. But anyway, let's talk about some of these Solana coins. We're gonna go flip over to Solana for all you guys that don't like paying fees, all you cheap boys. No, I'm just kidding. I like Solana too, man, because these Solana coins are just making insane gains. Some of these Solana coins seeing some big volume. And let's just talk about it, right? Let's talk about the coins that are trending in the top. Let's talk about the top 10 on Solana right now. So, of course, with coin that we talked about on the channel so many times, guys. We've talked about with so many times early on this project too. Very early on this one. This one didn't get by me. Um, Come on, man. I hate when my what's up with my mouse? Let's get Crypto J a new mouse, boys, because my mouse just like gets possessed. It just decides it wants to just start going all over the place. Okay. All right. Let's see. Sorry about that. We're going to go back into WIF. I want to talk about the WIF chart. Let's talk about it. Okay, as you guys can see, WIF coming in with a $2.5 billion market cap, the biggest project on Solana right now, the hottest project on Solana right now. And it's still looking good. It's still looking like a decent buy opportunity. You guys can see we got some kind of double bottom right here still on the 12-hour. And we're still flowing inside the Kettner channel, even though WIF is a coin that's down 7% in the past 24 hours. Our 4-hour chart does look like we're starting to break below this bottom Kettner channel. It looks like a rising wedge right here. Again, the market's reacting with Bitcoin, right? Let's see. And this is also why I like to start macro and then go smaller. Like when I read a chart, just so you guys know, when I'm reading these charts, usually I generally, and I'm not even following this rule, but generally I start very macro. I'll start at like the biggest chart possible. Sometimes I'll start at like the yearly, then I'll move down to the monthly, then I'll look down, 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 because each chart kind of tells a different story, but each one is important to understand. But in my opinion, the larger scale charts are the ones to really be paying attention to. That's why I start with them first, right? Because I could see right here, if I'm looking at this 3-day chart, okay, we have a nice cup and handle pattern here, possibly paying out. Bitcoin holds some support. This could have some upside. Then if I go down, I'll go down into the 1-day chart. And then I'm looking at the 1-day chart. I'm looking like, okay, we're holding some support in this Kettner channel right here. The sell-off is not as bad as it's not super bad, right? And then I go to my 12-hour chart. Okay, 12-hour chart, we're still staying inside this Kettner channel. We're flowing still inside of it. Not too bad, not too much sell-off in the past 12 hours. Past 4 hours, 4-hour chart, not looking good, right? This is when the charts are starting to not look good. Rising wedge right here, breaking down. Underneath the Kettner channel, the 2-hour chart is probably not going to look good because all this price action just happened recently. So again, look, we were created a wedge, and then we started breaking down. But we are holding some support at this bottom Kettner channel. The 1-hour showing that we're a little bit overbought or oversold a little bit on the 1-hour right now, and the RSI is telling us that. And then also, this is a little bit telling us too that we're a little bit oversold too. So let's see in the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart showing that we're just trending right under this bottom Kettner channel. Just in my opinion, just showing that this is an accumulation zone. because how often do we trend underneath this for a very long time? Like, look how often we trend underneath this Kettner channel for a decent amount of time. It just doesn't happen very much. We're usually flowing inside, and the times that it goes down is, in my opinion, in a time of accumulation. It's a great opportunity. I do talk about these things as being opportunities, and people think that I'm crazy for that. But again, I base that off of these charts. I base that off of statistics, and this is all the statistics I need, all the indicators that I need, in my opinion, to know a little bit about what can possibly happen, or at least give me the best advantage, right? We'll never be 100%, guys. Nobody will ever be 100%. Not even Warren Buffett is 100%, guys. So if anybody tells you that they're 100%, they're absolutely lying to you guys. We just use indicators, and we just use everything that everybody else in the market uses. But there's fake outs all the time. So you'll never be 100%. But if you do use your indicators and stuff like that, you can get to a point where you're anywhere from like 70 to 80%. In my opinion, that's a good successful trader. That's where you want to be. I do find myself, I think I find myself in the upper 80%. But again, when you're betting on meme coins and you're betting on the future of how things are going to do, it's like that's not really something that you could really predict. We're all kind of just going off of what feels good at the time, right? We're just going off of what seems to be going, right? The presidential coins are going, okay, I'll go with that. The Pepe looking coins are going, okay, I'll go with that. Like we're just looking for good entry points and stuff like that because some of these coins have no utility, guys. And like I said, the majority of them, guys, they're not going to perform well. They're not going to do anything, especially if you're shopping on Dextools and stuff like that. But also, you could find the next Shiba Inu on here. You can find coins like Pepe on here. That's literally how I found both of those coins. So actually, I didn't find Shiba on here. I didn't find Dextools in general until I was already in SHIB before I found Dextools. But yeah, you could find a lot of coins on here. I found Pepe on here. I found a lot of amazing coins on here super early. But yeah, let's check out Base Chain also. Actually, no, I feel like we didn't give Solana a good enough. Let's talk about some more Solana coins because there's a lot of Solana coins actually that are performing pretty well. I don't want to just skip over Solana for the sake of keeping this short because this is a live stream, boys. So this is the layback content, guys. I create the other content, the short form content. It's like lean forward content. It's for you guys that just want the news really fast. If you guys are just looking for the quick updates, I'll give you that. But this is a little more lean back content, boys. This is where you ask your questions. This is where you have me look into your coins that you're looking at right now. This is where we're checking audits, where we're checking holder counts, where we're taking our crypto game to the next level, guys. This is the best channel, I'm telling you right now, to take your crypto game to the next level. Um, and I know that because we created this. We created this with intent. And we've attracted some of the best traders, I feel like, because guys, the best traders I feel like were really the people that were super early in crypto. And those were the people that were in like not even last cycle, but like even the cycle before that. But last cycle created a lot of absolute beasts in cryptocurrency. Some of you guys are absolute monsters at trading now. So like in the Telegram, man, I'm sharing stuff and people are like, dude, I already shared that. I'm like, okay. Okay, play it. I see you telling Crypto J what's popping right now. But that's the beauty, guys. That's the beauty of having more than one mind working together. And that's why I tell you guys, join the Telegram. It's going to take you to the next level because when you're able to trade as a team, you're able to catch more things. You guys are you have more eyes on the market. More people know what to look for. More people are giving great entry points and stuff like that. You do also want to, of course, be careful because sometimes the Telegram is open invite and we get a lot of all kinds of people in there promoting all kinds of stuff. So, but again, guys, there's no excuse because your boy Crypto J is teaching you guys how to check audits, right? We could check audits right here on Dextools, and we're always checking audits. We're always checking contracts. We're always looking at holder counts, making sure that we're not putting ourselves in a situation where we could possibly get wrecked, right? Dextools makes it super easy to check holders. I could click on this holder count right here and I could see all the top holders that are holding this little Michi coin that we're looking at right now. And again, Michi coin coming in at number 7. It's a coin that we talked about on the channel. Guys, like literally everything that's trending almost every day on Dextools. I don't know if you guys noticed, but your boy Crypto J is already 2 days ahead of Dextools as far as like what's going to be trending. I consistently do it because one, well, I mean, I show you guys exactly how I do. I show you guys how I do every single thing. We use CoinGecko to find the top trending cryptocurrencies on Solana. Then we used it to used it to show you guys what's starting to pick up in volume before it even hits on Dextools. We also use Dex Screener as well. We're not just using Dextools. So we're attacking the game at all angles, bro. And when you do it like that, when you have more strategies like that, then you just have better chance. Like that's why I always say, do your guys research, go out there, and and part of doing your research is looking at the charts, is finding those breakouts, is finding those coins that you could maybe jump into and swing trade. If you're a swing trader, of course, not everybody in cryptocurrency is going to be a swing trader. And a lot of people would argue that time in the market beats timing the market. But in my opinion, guys, it's a great opportunity to be making money, whether you're a swing trader or whether you're just looking for great opportunities to buy the dip. In my opinion, guys, just based off of the chart, guys, again, that's all I work off of. I just work off of indicators and stuff like that. So again, when these charts go bearish, I'm the first person to also tell you guys like, hey, things are not looking very good. And I know that's not a very popular thing on YouTube to be like, hey, this coin's not doing very well, when you have to tell a whole community that their coin's not doing very well. But in reality, guys, when the market moves, there's a lot of people also that make money on the way down too. So just like the bulls look for good entry points, the bears also look for good entry points so that they can put their puts, so that they can make money on the way down. And guess what? Even though your boy Crypto J is bullish on Bitcoin all year long, your boy Crypto J also shorts the market. Your boy Crypto J is also a bear sometimes, and your boy Crypto J is just a realist. I feel like I'm just a realist. I believe that the trend is your friend, and I think that you know, you could make money, like I said, on the way down. Some people are trying to make money on the way down. I just got a notification on my phone that Bitcoin just hit 66K. So let's actually look back at Bitcoin, just because we're kind of flipping all around right now. But sorry, we just got to flip back to Bitcoin just because I got that notification on my phone that we just dropped down a little bit more. Let's see if that's definitely the case. Okay, actually not looking too bad with Bitcoin. Looks like we have a possible double bottom, maybe. Hopefully we can create something, creating a possible bull flag right here, testing some resistance right here. Hopefully we can break back up, start reclaiming some of this territory up here. Again, did talk about the fact that sometimes fakes happen early in the week, right? That price action, real price action, happens usually on Thursday. I talk about that all the time. Talk about the fact that fake outs usually happen early in the week. So this could possibly be a fake, guys. This could possibly be a fake, but we do have to be cautious, right? We have to be careful because like we did talk about, we did create this wedge and it did break down. And then this is a Nike check. We talk about this bear flag right here, this Nike check. We see the Nike check, it means don't do it, right? I say that. We see that Nike check, it means don't do it, but it is going down. And look, creating another little Nike check on the 1 hour. But again, too early, boys. Too early to say. 1 week still, looking a little funky. It's too early to say. Okay, but we had to check that. We just had to check on Bitcoin, see how Bitcoin was doing. Hey boy, we just launched. Okay, let's see. Hey bro, we just launched a meme coin. Do you have any advice on keeping the hype? Yeah, I mean, just connect with influencers, I would say, and marketing is everything. Definitely don't skimp on the marketing, especially if, you got investors with their money tied up. You want to make sure that, you guys are going all out with the marketing. So I would just say, go all out with the marketing, brother. Spend some of the marketing dollars. Hopefully you have a marketing budget, I would hope. Yeah, but that's pretty much what I would say. But wanted to jump back onto Dextools, and then after we check the Solana coins, we'll check the base coins, and then we'll move over to Dex Screener and see what's popping over there. Because Dex Screener, I like Dex Screener too, and I'll tell you why I like both. We're gonna break it down. I'm adding so much value to this live stream, by the way, guys. Like nobody does this for free. Just understand that. Like people really charge people to join a crappy Discord or a crappy Telegram where they give no value, where you actually don't ever learn how to do anything, and then they'll charge you a top dollar. And your boy Crypto J just asked that you hit the subscribe button. Like, bruh, come on, man. Like, hit the subscribe, bro. Hit the subscribe, bro. You guys know I'm adding value to your life. Hit the subscribe. But anyway, guys, let's see what's popping. Let's see token creator. Let's organize by. They updated this Dextools website a little bit too, so sorry I'm lagging with the interface, but they had the top 10 all listed right here, and they had it really easy for me to kind of go through all of these coins really easily. But yeah, so look at Bowden. Okay, this is Bowden coin. We talked about Bowden coin too. And people were saying the other day, people were like, man, Biden just dropped out of the race. I don't think Bowden coins are going to survive. Look at Bowden coins coming in at number 5, up 78%. I think it looked like it was up at the top of the day, like a ton. But look at 15 million market cap. This coin is down significantly. 36,000 holders to our volume. And this is what I talk to you guys about too, guys. This is why I always tell you guys, you got to stay up on the space, and you got to stay up on the politics too, right? Like when Biden dropped out of the race, this thing probably saw a crazy sell off, I'm sure. But this thing was doing really well. It was actually outperforming Trump coin for a long time, which I was surprised about. I was like, I don't know how this Bowden coin keeps trending and beating Trump coin week after week in volume. But as you guys could see, it's starting to pick up a little bit. I don't know. Maybe this is maybe a buy time for a coin like Bowden. But I don't know again how it's going to do with him not running anymore. I don't know how that's going to work out. Not at all. So as you guys could see, also 2-hour head and shoulders pattern here. Not a very good pattern, but we're still holding a little bit on this upper Kettner channel. So we haven't broke down significantly off of this trend, but we're starting to. We're starting to on the 1 hour. It's starting to happen, boys. But yeah, Bowden coin looking super solid, actually. Bowden coin not looking too bad. Popcat is another coin that is a sleeper. I feel like this coin's an absolute sleeper, guys. Just because it's had so much growth. This coin is growing. Look, it's almost on a billion market cap too. It's at 779 million market cap. That is crazy. 56,000 holders on Popcat. I never thought that this coin would grow this big. I watched this coin. Actually, my friend told me about this coin. I ain't gonna lie. My boy CJ told me about this coin. CJ, if you're watching this video, you were right, bro. You were right, bro. You were right in a big way. Because he caught this coin so early, and this thing ran all the way up to close to 800 million, as you guys could, above 800 million, as you guys can see. But that's the beauty of cryptocurrency, guys. Sometimes you'll be able to catch these coins, and if you spend enough time on this website, oh, look at this little Kamala coin. Kamala coin breaking out. The only thing picking up in volume right now is that number 10 still. Interesting. All-time high right now. We don't like to buy the top, but bull flag breaking out. Possibly holding this upper Kettner channel. This might not be a horrible entry point. It could still correct. Keep in mind, the market's still correcting. This might be a decent coin though. Look, like almost 10,000 holders already. 24 million market cap. Interesting. Let's check the audits on this. Again, this is a brand new project. I haven't checked out this project at all yet, so we're checking this out real time. You got to pay attention to this too. This audit disclaimer. Dextools added this, basically saying that these audits are automated, carried out by entities external Dextools. So it's not, they don't have nothing to do with it. So these are automated. I pretty much knew that Quick Intel was automated because every one of these coins has a Quick Intel audit on it. But as you guys could see, they only have one audit done, probably because this coin just launched recently. Some of these coins, it's going to take their time. It's going to take time for them to get fully audited. But it seems like it looks decent based off of the intel. Of course, you guys always want to do your full amount of research. So let's check out the holder count. This is just how I do my research, guys. Whatever constitutes doing research to you guys, I suggest that you do that. But I do check the holder count always. I check the audits. I'm looking at communities and stuff like that. So that's just kind of what we're doing. We'll just do that with Kamala coin if my internet is not going to start bugging out right now. Bruh. Can we not do this? Can we not do this while I'm live, please? Not the McWi-Fi. Oh. Are we still live, boys? Let me know in the comment section if we are still live. I just had to reset my internet. Not resetting my internet. Let me see. Okay. Let me know, guys. Need to know if we're live. But we're still talking about Kamala coin. I'm just gonna keep going. We're just gonna still talk about Kamala coin, as you guys could see. Kamala coin picking up in volume pretty decently. Possible double bottom here, holding some support. So we'll see what happens on that. We wanted to check out the website also. We're going to pull that up as well. Okay, cool. Somebody said we live. All right, brother. Appreciate you. Cool. Let's check out Kamala, see what they got going on. All right. Cool. Picture looks pretty accurate. Uh, no, not gonna do that. But as you guys could see, Kamala, real president for America. Kamala coin. You could see this is Kamala. Oh God. So they don't really have anything going for them. To be honest with you. They have their deck screener up here. They do have the Telegram. They have the Twitter. But they don't really have a roadmap, right? This doesn't really tell us anything about the project. This really doesn't have a lot of words on it at all. It just kind of has a bunch of pictures of some memes and links to Telegram and stuff like that. So is this coin probably going to hit 1 billion? Is it probably going to do really well? Probably not, right? This is another reason why I say part of doing our research is looking at the website. Like if we looked at the website, I feel like even a 5th grader could look at this website and can determine that this might not be the best thing to put our entire life savings into, because this would be very silly to put a substantial amount of money into. But maybe in the short term we can make a decent amount of money, and that's the whole point of meme coins in my opinion. Most of these meme coins that we find on most of these platforms are on Dextools and on Dex Screener. I feel like those are the ones that you want to be paying attention to. But okay, let me see. Sorry. We're going to finish up on Dextools, and then we're going to move over to Dex Screener, and we're going to talk about some more coins, even more coins. I'm giving you guys so many coins today. So I want to hear, Coach J, you don't ever talk about new coins, because I'm talking about so many coins on the live stream, guys. That's why I tell you guys to tap into these live streams anyway, because there's a ton of value that happens on these live streams. So I want to go back into here, and I want to see what is popping right now. I want to finish seeing what's popping on Solana. I want to look at the market cap in terms of market cap of what's popping. PopCap moving up. Cat Dog. Dang, man. Okay, I seen Cat Dog the other day too. I've actually been seeing Cat Dog a couple of times. Been picking up a little bit. Okay, 23 million market cap, around 10,000 holders. It's coming in at number 4 right now on Dextools. This coin is definitely picking up in volume, as you guys could see, up 75% on the day. If you guys are already holding Cat Dog, congratulations. Making some good positive gains on this coin. As you guys can see, some pretty decent buy orders. Nothing really too substantial that I'm seeing coming in, though. It's not like big, fat, crazy orders, which is not a bad thing. I mean, sometimes it's good to have more traders with just smaller bags and having like those big guys in the trade. I do like having the recognition from the big guys, because I know how to read the transactions. I know how many big guys are in the trade at the time. And actually I track those guys all the time. When I'm in the trade, I know exactly how many whales are in the trade. And I guess that's what puts me on a different level than most of the people trading in the trade, because most of the people trading in the trade are not watching transactions. They're not paying attention to the holder count. But in my opinion, that's really important, right? It's really important to know when a whale's accumulating. It's really important to be able to watch these transactions. That's why I tell you guys to use Dextools, because Dextools, you can monitor transactions. A lot of people come over here from stocks. They come over here from Forex, and they're like, oh, I could just make money with these charts. You can make money with these charts, yeah, but you could also get rug pulled, boy, and it happens quick, boy. So you better get right. You better get right. Learn how to check these transactions. Learn how to check these contracts, because if you don't, you can get absolutely wrecked in cryptocurrency. And I definitely don't. I suggest, honestly, guys, that you guys watch all my YouTube videos about how to check contracts and check audits and stuff like that before you even start buying coins. And I know it's not exciting to talk about education and stuff like that, when you could always just be like, oh, well, you can just buy this and sell this and just gamble. But it's more than just gambling, guys. There is a level of luck to trading. But if you want to be long in this game, if you want to be around for this bull cycle, you need to learn how to do this correctly. Otherwise, you're going to have a very hard time in cryptocurrency. The majority of your portfolio is going to be red most of the time. You're going to be losing money all the time, bleeding money through your ears. And you're going to be telling all your friends that Bitcoin was a scam. And then when Bitcoin shoots up in the next bull cycle, you're going to be kicking your feet. You're going to be bad, or you're going to be buying a higher price Bitcoin or a higher price altcoins. So you just have to understand how these market cycles work, but also understand, again, how to check the transactions, because it's so important to be able to check these transactions and to be able to know what's going on. Also, look, I'm able to see even how many times these people have sold. Like, look, this guy has sold 37 times. He sold 37 times. I could check his whole wallet. I could see everything that he's holding. I could see if this is a bot. I could see what he's doing. Like, as far as like what coins he's picking up, I could check. Like, I could check everything. That's the beautiful thing about the blockchain. Everything's transparent on blockchain. So you're not hiding anything, my boy. I could see your whole wallet, dog. I know all your monies. So as you guys could see, this guy is holding. He has $6,310 in his Sol balance, 36 Sol. And this is his whole portfolio right here. If you guys are looking for ways to, catch some of these whales or some of these bots, or follow some of these bots and see what they're getting in and getting out of, some people use that as a strategy too. Again, I'm not telling you how to find your coins. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you ways that you can improve your game, right? So you can look at some of these other big traders. Sometimes you might open a wallet, guys, and it ain't gonna have $6,000 in it. It's gonna have like $50 million in it. And I'm not exaggerating. I've seen wallets in here that are like 50, $60 million. And if you could track some of those wallets and see some of the coins that they're getting into, maybe this guy watches J Talks Crypto, because look, he's buying Punky, he's buying Book of Meme. Maybe he's a smart investor and watching J Talks Crypto, cow hat, things that we talk about on the channel, things that are popping off. Like, maybe this guy's in the know. Maybe he is paying attention to me, or maybe he's watched somebody else, but I don't know. Maybe he's just doing his own thing. Sometimes I'll be doing my own thing too, but I don't get to watch Crypto J. You guys get to benefit from me. I gotta, honestly, I don't really watch anybody, guys, because I've been doing this for so long that I don't need somebody to tell me something. You could tell me whatever you want to tell me, but I'm already up on it, boy, because I don't go to sleep. I stay on these charts. I know that the more time that I spend on this website right here, Dextools, the more money I can make, because I'm going to see these trends. I already knew about Bowden. I already knew about Trump. I already knew about all these coins, because guess what? I've been watching these coins for like years. So again, it's not something that's just going to pop up on me, but you also want to know how to navigate through this page and find these coins yourself, so that you'll know, okay, these are the coins that are, again, picking up in volume. We do that, again, by paying attention to the charts, by organizing through your 24-hour volume, by watching what's trending week after week. Like, look at this. Okay, so now we're going over to these base coins. I want to see what's trending over on base. Let's talk about it. And then we're going to head over to Dex Screener, and then we're going to talk about all those coins on Dex Screener, and then I'm going to cut the live, and hopefully it's going to be under like 2 hours, because this live has already gone on for like 42 minutes. But again, so much value that we're just not going to stop. We're just not going to stop. We're just going to keep going. So we're looking at Miggles right here. It looks like Miggles is our number one. This is our top 10 right here. Looking pretty red right now. Looking pretty red, but let's look at it just for the sake of looking at it, because I've never seen this little Miggles coin, and I'm interested to see how many holders. 45,000 holders. Interesting. 64 million market cap. Interesting. Number 2, trading on Dextools. Interesting. Trading inside this Kettner channel still. Possible double bottom here. Possibly a good entry point on a coin like this. Actually kind of like this. I've never seen this coin before. I kind of like this, to be honest with you. It has a lot of holders on it. I'm going to check out let's check out the website together. Why don't we? Oh no, we're still looking at the Solana thing. You guys are not telling me. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I told you I'm getting better at Streamlabs. I love that you guys are just sit here like, yeah, he's just talking, we just listening. But yeah, this is Miggles right here. So we're looking at these base tokens right here. As you guys could see, Miggles looking like not a bad entry point. Again, 45,000 market cap, or 45,000 holders, 64 million market cap. Not bad. Those are not bad numbers, right? I don't feel bad. I don't feel like that's that bad. Past 7 days up 88,000%. So this coin did just launch just recently. We do have to keep that in mind. It just launched on the 16th, and it is at a 64 million market cap. So a lot of people are in profit right now on this coin, and it can be a situation where a lot more people will start taking profit. But again, this many holders at this much market cap, possible double bottom here. This coin could still have some possible upside. Again, this is the number 1 trading coin on Dextools right now. So one way that I like to be early on these coins is by, again, paying attention to these Dextools and paying attention to this chart. So let's go over to their website, because we just pulled up the thing. So we're doing this is how I do my research, guys. And again, do your research however you want to do your research, but I definitely I would say it's a good idea to check some of this stuff out because you should know what the website is. You should know like kind of what's going on. Okay, so they look like they got shouted out by Coinbase. How to buy, install Coinbase wallet, buy some ETH. And so it tells you right here how to buy everything. It also tells you what exchanges you could buy on too. So you can buy on Bygit. They're on MXC. They're on Gate.io. This is big. They're on True BitTrue. That's decent size, I guess. XT is pretty big. LP Bank's pretty big. Poloniex pretty big. So they're listed on some decent sized exchanges. I would like to see this coin listed on some bigger exchanges, but again, it just launched on the 16th. So if they're really listed on all these exchanges, this is actually a lot of exchanges to list on just from the 16th to the 23rd. That's actually pretty good. So these guys must have their marketing together. It looks like you can see too, their Telegram has 7,000 people in Telegram. That's also not a bad indicator. They have a good community. That's not bad. I would definitely want to join that Telegram and see if they have a lot of bots in there, see like what the quality of the Telegram is. If it's one of them Telegrams where like you can't even talk, like you can't say nothing, you just like gotta just listen to the updates on the coin. Sometimes I don't really like those kinds of Telegrams. Well, I don't like those kinds of Telegrams at all because yes and no, because sometimes, people jump on Telegram and then they start panicking because their first bull cycle and they bought the top and, they're going to panic and make everybody want to sell and make all the noobs scared. All the guys that have been in crypto for a long time, they know what a market cycle looks like. They're not really like freaking out, but sometimes the noobs get in the Telegrams and then they start having like a panic attack and like, oh, I need to sell all my coins. Should I sell? Should I sell? And like, then everybody's just like, what? Like, what? And then they have to close the chat because everybody's fudding it up and stuff like that. Price affecting price. They don't understand that they're actually making it worse. They're making it worse. They're making it worse, and it didn't even have to be that bad, and it probably might not have even been that bad. So, again, Telegram works both ways, right? When things are bullish, those guys can really push a community, but sometimes the babies of the Telegram, the babies that are just new to cryptocurrency or just don't understand how market corrections work, they don't understand that this market's volatile. They over leverage. They don't watch JTalks crypto. They do everything wrong. They over leverage. Everything's wrong. Just everything's wrong. And they just get mad when the market corrects because they think that the market is like a rocket ship. They think it just goes up. They think, oh, let me just board the market straight to the moon, boys. Yeah, not really how it works. I wish, dude. If it was that easy to get rich, guys, we would all be bazillionaires, bro. We would all be bazillionaires. We would all just known to have bought Bitcoin, right? But that's not the case. So again, yeah. So we got over here also this little blue Pepe fork. So they had a little Pepe fork over here. It's trending number 8. I don't really like these forks, man. Forks tend to just not really do well. I've never heard of a very successful fork of a project. I mean, have you guys ever heard of a successful fork? Maybe let me know. I've never heard of a fork that like outperformed like the coin itself, that is like the coin like that has all the attention and stuff like that. And again, you guys want to be a part of the coin. Like it to me, I don't want to buy blue Pepe. I want to buy the real Pepe because again, I still feel like even though Pepe is sitting so high in market cap, yeah, it's in the billions, like 2 billion or whatever. In my opinion, guys, if this market pumps, this whole market is going to pump and it's going to go where the demand is. And people know Pepe, it's trusted. Even Shiba Inu, people are like, oh, you be talking about Shiba Inu, bro. Yeah, bro. I think SHIB's going to do well in the bull cycle too. Call me crazy, bro. And then these are some of these people, the XRP fanboys. I don't think XRP is going to do well. Shocker. I don't think Cardano is going to do that well. And guess what? I was early on Cardano, guys. I bought Cardano at 4 cents. Haha. I bought Cardano at 4 cents. How about you? Yeah, no, I bought Cardano at 4 cents, but I sold it at like 21 cents because I was like, dang, this market cap is getting too high for me to want to be a part of. And Cardano just didn't have a lot of dApps on it. There's just not a lot going for Cardano. And again, I'm not sad that I sold my Cardano. I mean, maybe Cardano will be one of these next Solana or something like that. They do have cheap transactions, but honestly, I haven't even been up on the Cardano space at all. I've been really watching a lot of what's been going on with them. I just know that Cardano is a damn stable coin, just like XRP. I don't want to have a bag full of stable coins. I also don't want to have a bag full of meme coins either, though. Understand that. I don't want to have a bag full of volatile coins. I don't want to have a bunch of 5 million market cap coins in my wallet, because what's going to happen is I'm probably going to wake up broke. That's what's going to happen because these coins are highly volatile, especially when you're investing in coins that are like under like 500 million market cap. We're going to be highly volatile. You can be waking up to like 40-50% losses. And that's why I tell you guys don't over leverage. Actually, I had somebody literally, guys, everything that I say in my videos, sometimes I say things and you guys just feel like I just throw that in there just to like, oh, he just has to say that. So he just throws it in there. No, don't over leverage. Stop over leveraging. Like, stop being greedy. Stop being stop being greedy. You're not going to get rich quick. Like, this is not get I mean, it's possible to get rich quick. It is risk and reward over here, but at the same time, like, if you want sustainable growth for your portfolio, you cannot yeet your money at meme coins all day. You're going to stay broke. You're going to not be around for this bull cycle. I've seen it happen so many times. I've seen people liquidate. I've seen people, bro. I've seen somebody liquidate a $5 million position, leverage trading Bitcoin and Bitcoin consolidation. You know, had to watch that guy for, make sure he was still okay. Had people like in Telegram, like messaging him like, hey dude, are you all right? You good? All good. Losses happen, but at the same time, you don't have to put yourself in horrible situations. I've had people that have literally had to leave their countries because they were over invested into things and stuff like that, and move to other countries, like abandon their family, like move away from their family, or had huge debts in their countries where literally they'll go to prison for having kind of debt like that. And so they had to leave and stuff like that. And so again, you guys don't be over leveraged into these markets. Some of these coins, especially on Dextools and Dex Screener, you could put $20 into a coin that is at a 5 million market cap, and that thing can go to $1 billion. And guess what? You just made some substantial money and life-changing money, and enough money to, again, keep you in the game. Take your little $20 out and reinvest the rest of that money. But overall, guys, do not go out and liquidate yourself. Do not go out and put all your money into one coin. Diversify your portfolio. Again, this is not financial advice, guys. This is just my advice off of like a decade in trading in cryptocurrency and having knowledge and experience. Like, don't make mistakes that I've made. Don't make mistakes that I've seen other people make. And I could tell you honestly, guys, to not make these mistakes. But even when you get good at trading, even once you become a very successful trader, and some of you guys already are, and you already know this, you're still going to make the mistakes. You're still going to find yourself being greedy. You're still going to find yourself being impatient. You're still going to have to find ways to regulate emotion and stuff like that, especially when markets are euphoric, like right now, right? Like, the markets are great right now. Everything's feeling good. Everything's euphoric. And then as soon as Bitcoin goes down a little bit, everybody's screaming bloody murder, right? These people don't have their emotions in control, right? We've had our emotions in control the entire time. My emotions have been in check the entire time. Why? This is not my first rodeo. I pay attention to these and I watch markets correct all the time. Every day I'm watching markets correct. So because I'm involved in the meme coin space, I know what a correction looks like, because again, I've been in this game for so long. I know how this looks. And that's why I tell you guys too, the more time you spend in this crypto market, the more money you're going to make. Do not give up on this journey. The time to give up is not right now. The time to get better is right now. I get better from you guys. You guys get better from me. Like I said, my Telegram, you guys are telling me stuff to look at all the time. You guys are telling me things to pay attention to all the time. I'm breaking down TA for you guys all the time. So it's just like we're all in this together. We're all trying to win. We're all using the best we can of our indicators. But ultimately, guys, again, goes back to what I was saying, that nobody can predict these markets. They're completely unpredictable. Not even Warren Buffett knows what's going to happen with Shiba Inu coin. So just understand that when you're watching all of these SHIB price prediction videos, guys, that a prediction is just that. It's just a prediction. You should have an ultimate what you think that the price is worth. You should have your ultimate value in your head already when you get into these projects, so that you will just be able to know, okay, I evaluate this thing at a 5 billion market cap. I'm cool buying anywhere under that. I'm cool dollar cost averaging under that. But you need to also pay attention to also the updates that are happening, right? If things are delayed, if things are, on time and stuff like that, that could affect price, right? If a project delays a launch, or if a project delays something, that could negatively impact price. And that's because it could just have a fear effect, right? And also the people want to be early on selling if there is going to be a fear effect. So they create a fear effect. So, just understand that you want to be up on the space. You want to be up on the developments. You want to know about again, and that's why I say tap into J Talks Crypto, because we're going to talk about what's popping off on Base. We're going to talk about the fact that Base is popping off. We're going to talk about the fact that Solana's popping off. We're going to talk about the top coins on Solana and Base and the coins that are picking up in volume. And that's all I can do, right? All I can do is identify the coins that are trending. And that's what I tell you guys about. Hey, these coins are looking pretty solid. This is looking really good right now. These are trending right now. But ultimately, guys, you have to have your valuation for what you value that coin at. Or if you don't even think it's a good coin based off of your research, then you might not want to even get involved in the project at all. And again, guys, I'm not over here shilling any of these projects. I pulled up these charts real time with you guys today. You saw literally how I do it. I got up at 6:45 in the morning. I checked these charts with you guys. We talked about all these charts and I did my research live, so now all I'd have to do is just come up with a valuation point that I value these coins at, and then, you know, develop my strategy on how I'm going to take profit, dollar cost average, or whatever I need to do. And of course, guys, I talk about also the not popular thing to talk about on cryptocurrency channels would be taking profit, which is going to be, again, what keeps you in the game, taking profit and not being greedy. Super they're not super popular things to talk about, but they're important things to talk about. And they're things that I talk about to you guys out of experience, because I've seen, again, a lot of people get wrecked. I've seen a lot of people's accounts go from thousands of dollars to hundreds of thousands of dollars, and then back down to thousands of dollars because they were too greedy and because they didn't want to take any profits out. And maybe that happened to some of you guys last bull cycle, right? Maybe you guys watch your portfolios go crazy up and then they went down, and then you were like, oh, like you were holding on, but you weren't paying attention to the cycle. You weren't zoomed out. You weren't macro, so you weren't really kind of seeing where the trend was headed. We were talking about it the entire time. Somebody was saying that the video was very informative. Thank you for helping us all out who are trying to make it in this space. I'm trying to make it in this space too, brother. We're all trying to make it. We're trying to make a Billy. Brother, what do you think about Flocky Inu now? I love Flocky, man. I love all those coins. I think that those dog coins are going to do really well. I actually was going to make a video on Flocky. I know I talked about it in a couple of videos in passing, just in like, I've been doing like these little meme coin madness videos where I'm covering a lot of these little meme coins. And I've talked about Flocky a couple of times, but Flocky is a coin that I do think will perform pretty well. Um, Again, I think that a lot of those dog coins will do well. I think Bonk will do well. I think Shib will do well. I mean, shoot, who knows? Even maybe Kishu might make a comeback. Even actually, I was even looking at that. Right, Kishu's a project that, again, this was a coin that we talked about years ago, man, years ago on the channel. So, as you guys could see, Kishu has 43 million market cap, 263,000 holders, and the coin's been out for years. It's been out for years, but it too is decently picking up in some volume, right? If you zoom out in our 1 year chart, we're decently picking up in some volume on Kishu even. So I think a lot of those dog coins will see a pump. I think a lot of those dog coins will see a pump. Kishu, I think, would be a very risky play just because, again, Kishu has already ripped up to some crazy highs. That coin really had a great run. And I don't know that it will have another run because, again, guys, sometimes these coins go up and they don't come back after that. So again, it depends on what the market feels about it, right? It depends on how the market feels on these things. Can I take a look? Somebody said, can I take a look at selfie? Yeah, you guys feel free to ask me to take a look at some coins. We're doing this right now. I'll look at these coins for you guys. So selfie, I don't know what chain this is on. Is it this one or is it this one? They're both on Solana, but these contracts, interesting. Maybe this one. 5,000 holders. Had an all-time high of like 35% retracement. Okay, I gotcha. So it's this one. This one's the one that had the retracement. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what you're talking about here. Starting to bottom out a little bit. 10 million market cap, 5,000 holders. I see what you mean. I mean, shoot. Let's check the audit on that. Okay. Audit's looking decent. They got a decent amount of buy orders in here. Let's check this contract. I never seen this project, so I always got to check these holders, guys. We always got to make sure that we doing it right. Top wallet's holding almost 4%. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's not super bad. This guy got a lot of the coin. Let's see what's going on in his wallet. Let's see what's going on. This is what we got to do, boys. This is what I tell you guys, man. This you got to check that. You got to check them wallets. About to check Homeboy's wallet right now. About to see what's going on. We'll talk about Normie in a minute. I see your comment. So this guy, he has a good amount of transactions going in and out. It used to tell me how many transactions, though. It's not giving me a number of how many transactions. Interesting. Okay. Let's see what he's holding, though. He's holding a lot of different coins, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I guess Selfie's not looking too sketchy. There's no wallets that are too much of a concern to me. But this price action is looking decent. It's looking like a possible recovery for Selfie. Oh, definitely. One day looking nice. One day looking real nice. So I don't like this. I don't like this 3-day actually. So the 3-day, you see how the price starts up in the air like this? This is because this was a pre-launch. So that means that there was people already involved in this. And one thing I tell you guys about pre-launches, guys, they tend to go up and then they do this. They create this Nike check. They go down. So actually, I'm not that bullish on this one honestly because it's got to prove something right now. It's got to reestablish some. This coin has not determined its value to the marketplace yet, if that makes sense. Oh my god, dude, you guys are just staring at me. Why are you guys just staring at me? I'm not even having the screen open. Okay, I'm sorry. You guys literally have just been staring at me talking. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, selfie dog. Okay, you see how the chart started at the middle and then it goes up and then it drops down all the way down like this, and then it just has, this funky price action. It's because the market hasn't evaluated this coin yet. So again, this is not the type of entry point that I necessarily like to buy in at. It's not the most hottest. It could be a situation where this coin can make a comeback. Yeah, maybe double bottom here. But again, some of these coins that they just, I don't know. It's still in the downtrend. It's not the hottest chart that I would be looking at right now. Just being honest with you. And okay, let's check Normie on base. Yeah, let's look at that. Let's look at Normie. I agree. I actually was seeing I think that was trending a minute ago. Normie on base. Okay, yeah, it's trending. It's number 4. Normie, same thing though. Look at this price. Why the price way up here? Pre-launch drops down. I don't like pre-launches, guys. I don't really like pre-launches. Is that the case here? Let me just see. Unless these charts are tripping. This looks like it. Yeah, look, pre-launch. It's not good. I don't like it. I don't think this coin's gonna do very well. But then like 94,000 holders. How old? When did this launch? On the 7th. On the 6th. Today is the 23rd. Maybe. Again, number 4, right? Dextools, number 4. Look at this shit. What? Ooh, I can't say that. Look at all these buys and sells. This is why I tell you guys pay attention to the transactions. Look at this. This guy has 99 buys, 99 sells. What you doing, bruh? What are you doing? All different wallets. Oh, there's a lot of bots in this trade. I don't like this at all. I don't like this Norman trade at all. Look at this 1,000 transactions. Look how fast these transactions are going out. Not too crazy. See, Ethereum, we could track transactions a little bit better. Look at me not showing you guys the right screen again. Not me not showing the right screen again. Okay, so now we're in, this is base scan. Actually, I'm tripping. This is not ether scan. This is base scan. We're looking at base coins. Tripping. Sorry. But as you guys could see, 1,000 transactions in and out of this wallet. We could see everywhere his money's going. We could see his top holdings. We could see how much value he has. I'm not too concerned, but I don't know. That's a lot of transactions. Like, why are you buying and selling so much, bro? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm pretty sure that's a bot. I think he's moving money into a wallet. I think it's one of them. I think this is like one of the situations where one wallet's funding all the other wallets. I'm pretty sure. I feel like. So 84% belongs to the remaining holders. So they almost own 20%. The top holders almost own 20%. And it looks like they distributed those coins amongst different wallets or something because they had a lot of transactions. So I don't know about that. Let's go over to Dex Screener, boys. I think we covered a lot on Dextools, and I told you guys I'd give Dex Screener some attention now. So bear with me a little bit too, because Dex Screener be updating their website so much. I have to be going through this. So okay, so we're looking at Solana coins right now. Looks like I already have Solana already. Cool thing that I like about Dex Screener too is you could actually organize what's trending by 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 6-hour chart, 24-hour chart, top gainers, top losers, stuff like that. So you could literally see what's trending like within the past hour or even the past 5 minutes. Of course, past 5 minutes is not going to be, these are going to be like very super volatile, or like maybe even like some of these coins might be like launched like very recently. You can always tell the market cap too. So just be paying attention to these coins with this market cap and stuff like that. But let's see if we can catch any of these coins. So I was looking at this Donald Pump. What is this? So first of all, this is too big. I don't need that looking that big. Okay. So I mean, this coin doesn't have much of a market cap on it. It ain't doing much. I don't know. Maybe it's already breaking down. I don't know about this coin. I don't know about it. Yeah, some of these coins will do better than others. There's another coin, Landlord, that I was kind of watching. It kind of shot up. Oh, the other day it shot up and then it went to crap. There you go. Sometimes it be like that. Bowden coin, of course, coming in at number 4 over here. Dark Trump. What is Dark Trump? What is this? What is this? When did this launch? Today. A couple hours ago. Yeah, this thing is probably gonna go to poop pretty soon. I don't know. Maybe it won't. Probably it will. I don't. Should we even do we even owe these guys? Should we even look at this website? Should we even give these guys any attention at all or anything? It doesn't even look like they have a website. They just have a Twitter and they have a Telegram, but no website, right? Yep. It's a Twitter, Telegram, marketing boost, whatever that means. But yeah, no, that's not really what we're looking for. Let's see if we can find any other ones. There's a MAG coin, Make America Greater, million market cap, up 1,000% past 24 hours. An interesting chart here. Looks like it's already breaking down though. I don't know. Maybe if Bitcoin was rallying a little more, this coin might have had some more upside today. But I think with Bitcoin correcting all these Trump coins, these brand new little fork of these Trump coins, they might not do so well with this Bitcoin correction, because Bitcoin decides it wants to bleed even a little bit more than it's already bled. Then it's gonna be a freaking bloodbath. It's gonna be a bloodbath. But again, it's not to say that that's gonna happen. You could possibly recover. So hopefully, I do want to see some more upside. But again, I'm not mad at cheaper prices, guys. I like cheaper prices. I don't know about you guys, but I like cheaper prices. Let's see what's on Ethereum. See what's popping. Oh, Harris coin, Kamala Harris. With the Oakleys on. Okay, interesting chart right here. Actually, this is interesting. Let's look at this. It's interesting. Launched on the 2nd of July. So this didn't just launch. This didn't just launch with they must already knew. They must already had a feeling. Right? But interesting. Kamala Harris coin trending over here on Dex Screener. This is again an Ethereum pair. Okay, nice possible double bottom right here. But we'll see. Gotta hopefully break up out of some of this resistance still. And again, this is a coin that is going to correct with Bitcoin, but at the same time, it might be a coin that moves. Again, Kamala Harris just announced her presidency or whatever, so maybe her running, her possible endorsement or whatever from Joe Biden. Let's see. Let's pull up their website, see how the Kamala Harris website looks. Okay. It's a weird. Oh, I don't know how flattering that image is. Is that a flattering image or is that not very flattering? Oh, Lord, look at her go. Look at her go. Oh, wow. Oh, look, they got Joe in the wheelchair. She's like Tupac or like Dark Vader or something in that picture. And she got a bunch of money and interesting. Oh, they even have a contact. That's interesting. They got their Dextools, their Dex screener. They got their Twitter right here and their Telegram. I assume that they're not that big. I don't even think I'm logged into Twitter. I might be logged in Twitter. I should be logged in Twitter. I'm live. Okay, I guess not logged into Twitter. Let's see the Telegram. Let's see what's popping on the Telegram. Okay, they got 337 people in the Telegram. So again, this coin, I don't know. It's not that big. But we'll kind of see kind of what the future will hold for Kamala coin, I guess. Let's look at some of these other coins. Sorry, I'm getting better, boys, at flipping back and forth through these little things right here. Okay, let's see. Banana coin, another Harris coin. So here's Kumala. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, the price don't look bad though. I mean, these little Kamala Harris coins, they seem to be picking up in volume today decently. That seems to be where some of the attention is turning, at least on the Ethereum blockchain. Don't like this. Talk about the fact that I don't like when the price starts off hanging in thin air like this. It's the indicator that there was a pre-launch and that maybe some of these guys are still holding bags. They might want to sell, and that might create some blood. So we definitely want to be paying attention to that and kind of just watching for that. Some people feeling pretty good about this. Some people feeling poo-poo. Some people saying this is a red flag. This is a sketchy project. So do with that what you want to do with that. Let's look at any of these other coins that might be doing well. They got MOG also coming in at number 7. We talked about the fact that I think that MOG's probably going to do pretty well. Look at Pepe coin, boy. Been talking to you guys about Pepe coin. I had made a couple videos on Pepe coin. Pepe coin is still holding decent. A lot of you guys probably holding this. Sorry. A lot of you guys probably holding this. You guys can see this thing has been on an absolute tear. Still establishing higher lows. I like this coin. Made like maybe 4 or 5 videos on this coin this week. So I like it. You know, again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just your homie Crypto J, and I'm just trying to keep you guys in the loop. I'm trying to keep you boys in the loop on the things that are trending. Because again, is this coin not trending? Is Pepe coin not trending? Is Pepe coin not trending? Are these coins not trending? I just try to tell you guys about what's trending so that you guys don't miss it. You know, I don't want you guys to miss it, guys. I don't want you guys to miss the bull cycle. If you appreciate that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button also, because it all helps the channel, guys. So again, let's go and check these base coins out. And then we'll probably cut this stream after we go through these base coins, just because this stream has already went on for like an hour and like 15 minutes. But if people keep piling in, then maybe we'll just keep going. We'll just keep it going. But actually, let's go check on our good buddy Bitcoin, since it's been a minute. It's already been like a cool minute. Oh wow, I'm glad I checked on Bitcoin. What a stream, boys! What a stream! This might be our best stream ever. Actually, I feel bad for the people that missed this, because look at this. Didn't I say this? Didn't I say this, guys? That fake out tap in early in the week. I said that, guys. I swear I said that. If I didn't say that, I don't know. But again, guys, you guys are. I like to think that I'm helping you guys. I like to think that I'm putting you guys on game, because we talked about the fact that this price action might be a fake out. But again, it's not confirmed. But Bitcoin is coming in right now at 67,000. So I'm surprised I didn't get a notification on my phone. Oh, I did get a notification on my phone. It happened 7 minutes ago. Bitcoin came in at 67,000. Nobody told me. How come you guys are not telling me? I'm supposed to be flipping back and forth between these charts. But again, guys, this is what we talked about. The fact that Bitcoin can possibly see a breakout. We were just talking about it like, I don't know. How many minutes ago was that? Like 30 minutes ago or something like that? I don't know. 30 minutes ago, something like that. But again, possibly, hopefully, the breakout that we need for Bitcoin. This could be good. Maybe we can break 70K off of this retracement. That would not be bad. If that happened, then maybe we could start seeing some of these coins pick up in volume. again, that we were a little bit concerned about if they were going to survive. They were going to survive the rally, right? So interesting. So Bitcoin looking pretty solid on the 30-minute. Let's see the candle. I want to see the candle because I know it was a big green. Big green. Look at that big green. Big green on the 30-minute candle. 1 hour also big green, right? Nice. We like big green, guys. We like big green. Look how much it dipped though. Look how much we had to eat up. Look how much we've had to eat up on the 1 month. But we're eating it up, right? 1 month. I told you guys, did I not say 1 month forming a bull flag? Did I not say 1 month forming a bull flag? I think I said 1 month forming a bull flag. Maybe I didn't. I think I said that. Let's see. Let's see what else. Let's see what else. Yeah, no. That's all there is to see there. Let's look back over at Dex Screener. Great. Cool. All right. So Rocky. Is this Rocky? Another coin that is pre-launch. Was this a pre-launch? This is a pre-launch. I don't like this. Okay, so this is pre-launch, but look, it's making a high, but I don't like it. I still don't like it. Rocky on base. I don't like it. Number 13 coming in number 13 right now. Maybe I'll be eating my words. Maybe Rocky will melt faces. I don't like the pre-launch. I don't like it. Makes me feel not good about it because even I'm looking at some of these projects that have been pre-launch, guys. You look at projects, even like the more successful ones, like Book of Meme, right? We'll see if we could find Book of Meme coin. They're not like Slurf, Shroom, even the successful pre-launches. They just don't really. They're not really performing that well right now. And I don't know, maybe it's because they had a lot of hype when they first started, but the community was just there for that. They were just there for that little short amount of hype. I don't know. It's very interesting the market psychology behind a pre-launch, but a lot of people get the wrong idea behind them. I feel like they get into the pre-launches and they feel like they're gonna make a lot of money, and then, I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Like we're live on Twitter right now. If anybody knows anybody that made substantial money off of a pre-launch, let me know, tag them in the comments. I'm interested because I've been in the space for a long time. I've seen a lot of pre-launches, and I've known more people that have lost their necks in a pre-launch than have made a ton of money or have made any money actually at that. Somebody said they want me to check out Billy on Solana. I did talk about Billy a little bit actually at the last live stream, but I'll check it out again because I'm sure it's picking up in volume right now. Yep, picking up in volume right now with the Bitcoin pump. As you guys can see, Billy looking pretty decent. And this again is another coin that I'm paying attention to on the dip. We talked about it on my last live stream, and I talked about it in a couple of videos, a couple of the meme coin madness videos. That this is another coin that might do pretty well. And again, pick it up in volume pretty nicely. Nice call out on Billy. This is again a coin that when I covered the Solana coins, I should have clicked on this one. It was in the top coins. It does have a good size market cap, as you guys see, close to 200 million market cap. This is not a small coin on Solana. It's decent size. I feel like for where we're at with Solana coins, for where we're at with the Solana market cap on a lot of these bigger coins, quote unquote bigger coins on Solana, I feel like we're extremely early. So again, you only need one of these coins to change your entire life, guys. So that's why I do say to diversify also. Of course, I don't know the future is going to hold for a project like Billy. I don't know what the future is going to hold for any of these projects. Again, that's why I always say do your own research and make sure that your buying decision comes as a result of all the research that you did, not as a result of the FOMO that you felt from watching Jay Talks Crypto talk about a trend that is going on right now. Because again, guys, trends are just that. Sometimes these coins are just hot for a minute, and then they're not going to be hot the next minute. So always be kind of paying attention to that. But anyway, guys, I feel like this stream is now like a minute 20. So I'll open it up. I'll open up the floor. If anybody else wants me to check any more meme coins, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, we're going to pretty much probably cut the live stream, and I'm going to start putting out some content for today. It is 8 o'clock now. I've been live since like 6:45 this morning. So I'm going to start getting on more of a consistent live streaming schedule too. So if you guys enjoyed this live stream, again, let me know in the comment section. Like the video and go engage with my other content that I've been posting. Some of you guys that have just tapped in, you guys might want to go binge watch my old stuff, because you'll see, guys, that we've been pretty on point with a lot of the stuff that we've talked about on the channel. Of course, I'm not 100%. Like I said at the beginning of the video, nobody is. Not even Warren Buffett is 100%. But again, I try to shoot for between 70 and 80%. I feel like in a bull market, I'm 80%. I feel like in a bear market, I'm maybe 75%, because I'm always a little bit bullish, just a little bit more bullish than bearish, because again, I'm a Bitcoiner. So, but again, guys, it's never financial advice. It's just your homie Crypto J giving you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. And cut.